Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, please subscribe and I'm gonna love you for that. But to my old friends, my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back. You guys know how I feel about you. Thank you guys for always coming back. I do appreciate you a lot. So today's video is gonna be something that some people might be very offended, but that's me. That's just me. I gotta say what I gotta say, okay? So when I posted a video here on my channel, I think that video was like, the title was like, truth you should not tell your partner, stroke your husband, or whatever you have going on in your life. And at some point, I just randomly said something like, if you want, I'm gonna give you points on how to make your partner jealous. And yeah, some of my freaky subscribers were like,
we need to know those points. And I'm like, you guys are my people, okay?
You guys are my people. I love you so much. All the ones that suggested that I do this video, you're the real freaks in the house. Yeah, so I'm gonna be giving you guys some tips, however, before I go into this video, I have this to say. When people hear about giving tips or tips on how to make your partner jealous, they always think it's a bad thing. Every relationship needs jealousy. First of all, if you have a relationship and there's no jealousy going on, it's like maybe there's no love. Because if you love somebody, there might be something, or there must be something about that person at some point that you feel jealous about. Okay? Yes. And jealousy that I'm talking about here is not the kind of jealousy that you want to just kill your partner, like you want to just kill him, let him just die and go and rest. No, that's not the kind. I'm talking about healthy jealousy. Okay? So let's get it straight. Every relationship needs it once in a while, and I feel like these tips too can also help you. You can make your partner jealous when you've been in a relationship, and I'm talking about real relationships. Yes, real situationships, not those 2 minutes or 2 seconds relationships that you have and then you're like, no. Relationships that you've been there for a very long time. Why am I babbling? You've been there for a very long time. You know what's up. You know your partner knows you. You understand each other. And things like this also help to like get your partner's attention. Okay, so if you feel like you're not getting enough attention or things are changing a little bit, whatever reason you want to use these tips for, it should be healthy. It should be something that will make him or her see more value in you. So that's enough rambling. Let's get into the let's get into the tips. And please, before you come here to say that,
this is a good thing, or this is a bad thing, or this is not supposed to be done,
I already clarified myself, so it's okay. Let's get into the tips. The first thing that you can do that will make your partner feel some type of jealousy is do those things that him or her likes doing with other people. His favorite things. Do his or her favorite things with other people. That's the first tip. You know, if he sees you or if she sees you doing those things, like if you guys used to go out together to the movies or to the mall or to the bars, do those things with other people. It must not necessarily be people of the opposite sex. You can do it with your friends. If you guys always go to the movies together, just like and call up your friends. Bing! Hello, what's up today? Okay, do things like that and it's gonna get right into his or her bones. Okay, trust me. That's the first tip. The second tip is, whatever your intention is, if your intention of making him jealous is because you feel like he too is making you jealous, this one is a tip for you. Like, this tip will work. Keep your cool. Have you seen where you keep your cool to the extent that the person that started the game starts looking at you and he's like,
this auntie, is she even concerned, or is he even concerned about me? Like, is he even worried that I'm trying to, why is she not bothered? Does she not love me anymore?
Those are the things that will start going on in his or her mind, and he'll be like, why does she not have my time? Like, if you see that he's texting other people or he's talking to other people just to get you jealous, not like texting to go and cheat. That's what I'm saying. There's a difference. Yes, there is a difference. If you see that he's doing those things just to get back at you or just to get a rise out of you, just keep your cool and don't even mind. Keep yourself, like, stay away, live your best life and don't even think about it. Don't even talk about it. Even if he wants to bring it up, don't even respond. Just be like, oh yeah. But if you see that the textation is going far, or the occasion is going far, auntie, uncle, fight, okay? Hustle, ask questions, shout like, what's going on? Are you okay? Are you okay? Yes. So that's the difference, okay? You guys get the hang of it. The next thing that will make your partner ask questions and feel like, what's going on? Or will be like, something is not right. Or, the next thing you have to do is hang out more with your friends. Hang out more with your people, if you used to hang out more with people you like the people that are your people, especially not even those common friends that you guys share together, your own friends, because in a relationship you always have common friends, and then you have your own friends that you came into a relationship with, those ones that you keep to yourself. Because me, I have my friends that I don't share with my partner. No, you have your own friends, I have my own friends. Spend time with those people that you know that are not his friends, hang out with them, call them. If you're a girl, go out for a girl's night out. If you're a guy, go out for a guy's night out. Do things, have fun together, go to the beach. Don't mind him, just hang out with them. He's gonna be very jealous. He's gonna be like you're not having his time, or she's gonna be like you're not having her time. You don't want to spend time with him or her. You just want to do things with your people. You don't care anymore. Yes, it works. Okay, try it. Not his friends, not those common friends, your own selfish friends. Your selfish friends, because me, I have my selfish friends. I have my friends I don't share with my partner. No. Have your own, I have my own, okay? Stay on your lane and stay on my own. Then there are those friends that we share now together. Those ones that we share together, it's okay. No, pack those ones with him. Pack them and go far away. Take those ones those your greedy friends, the ones that you have to yourself, okay? Those are the ones that you hang out with. Is clear or you not clear? The next point is keep him or her waiting. Waiting here will be like, if he texts you, don't be too anxious to respond like bloop, 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 bloop. Nope. If he texts you, just be like, yeah. Maybe you answer or you respond back. You respond back after about 1 hour or 2 hours, and if he's like, what were you doing? You just give a stupid excuse, don't. Or when he calls you, even if maybe you pick immediately, the next time he calls, or you just keep it to ring, and then you always try to call him back. Yes, that too is going to ring a bell in his head, him or her head, like, ring, what the hell is going on? He's going to start asking questions, especially if you guys have like a routine, because those relationships, like serious ones, you have a routine where your partner, when he or she leaves for work, he calls you during break, he calls you during coffee break, he calls you after work, he calls you on his way back. So when you know that you have that routine or something like that, it's always good to like keep him waiting. Don't just pick as you used to pick before, when he just calls, ring, hello. No, even if you want to pick, let it ring a little bit for like 5 seconds or like 10 seconds. Not just wait, let that music play, enjoy it, and then you pick. Or maybe you even leave it for it to come as a missed call, and then you return the call. That is definitely gonna work. Okay, try it and thank me later. Okay, for the last point, I'm gonna say something. This point is very, very controversial, and it's very dicey. Don't try this. Don't try this if you're gonna fall inside with your whole entire body. Okay, don't try this. This is not for you. And this last point is flirting. Flirting is not you flirting and the next minute you are there bouncing with somebody else on the bed. No, I'm not saying you should do that, because there's a way of flirting. Okay, you can flirt with people and leave it at that level. And if you don't know how to flirt, don't flirt. If you want me to give you tips on how to flirt, let me know. Me again, no, please, I'm not giving you tips on how to flirt. If you just don't know how to flirt, then you don't know how to flirt. Flirting is very dicey, like I said, and flirting helps to also make your partner jealous. Especially we women, it gets to us like, it gets to us like this. Yes, when you see your partner start flirting, you start panicking. Because with men, they can just flirt in fact, men say they don't flirt, they always just go straight. But with women, it's different. With us women, it's different, because you can actually flirt and just leave it at that level, except you're extra. That's why I say, for those people that are extra, don't go and flirt and then continue and continue and continue. No, if you can actually flirt and know that it's flirting and you know your limitations and your boundaries, then do it. But if you are somebody that is weak and you're not strong enough to resist, you cannot go and be flirting with one fine man, and when the man wants to start responding and then you want to start hearing. No, flirting is just for like, it's the most superficial thing ever in a relationship, and you have to really know how to flirt with people. You can flirt when you're in public with him, maybe when you're in a public place, you just start doing your moves and you're, hello. Oh my god. So yes guys, this was just a fun video, okay, but these points do work. Like relationships, relationships are hard. They are hard, and sometimes you have to do these crazy things. Whether you accept it or not, you really have to do crazy things to get your partner's attention. And sometimes it works, sometimes it does not work. If you know how to do them, it's gonna work for you, trust me. But if you don't know how to do them, okay, just don't try. Just be your simple conservative partner and talk and talk and talk. For stubborn people like us, we like to try new things, and that's why I know some of these things. Okay, yeah, as you can see, my whole vibe in this video was just like fun. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're offended by this, please don't be. I'm not forcing you, I'm just saying these things, okay? So don't be offended. But if you like this kind of videos, give me more ideas, and I'm gonna give you the freaky ideas that is my I'm gonna tell you the crazy things that I sit and I think about. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe to my channel if you are not yet, and I'll see you in my next video. But before I go, stay pretty, stay slaying, and always smile. Bye guys.